welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Jasmine Kaur, a student journalist as well as a media executive of Ubuntu Foundation. Yesterday, the foundation conducted a fabulous webinar on the topic of Know Your Food. This was the first webinar in the series of programs launched by Ubuntu Foundation on the theme of health and nutrition. Ms. Amrita Sujnani, Program Executive of Ubuntu Foundation and the coordinator of the webinar, introduced the speaker to the audience and outlined the agenda of the event. Dr. Savita Ahluwalia, a health and nutrition expert from Lucknow and guest of honor at the event, talked about various nutrition and how it prevents us from diseases and reduces the burden of stress. Our first speaker was Dr. Kehkashan Parveen from Era University, Lucknow. She discussed on the topic of eating healthy food and also told about different sources of healthy food and how they are important in our life. Also, she talked about balanced diet and calories intake. At last, she shared some good tips to keep ourselves fit and healthy. Next, we have Ms. Amna Zaidi, a faculty from CSJM University, Kanpur. She discussed about carbohydrates and its importance. She also gave a detailed study on classifications, digestion, absorption and metabolism of carbohydrates. Moreover, she also talked about the diseases caused by the deficiency of carbohydrates and etc. Dr. Amatul Fatima, a faculty from Ishwar Saran Degree College, Prayagraj University, talked about proteins, its classifications, functions and requirements. She also talked about protein deficiency diseases and methods to cure them.
Minor nutrients. Then comes to what question comes to my mind is every human mind is what is balanced diet? A balanced diet is a diet that helps to maintain or improve overall health. तो हमें फिट रखने के लिए, हमारी बॉडी को फिट रखने के लिए जितने भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स की एक प्रॉपर अमाउंट में जरूरत होती है उसको हम कहते हैं balanced diet. Next come to classification of food. Classification of food is of four types: by origin, by function, by chemical composition and by nutritive value. By origin it's of two types: animal origin and vegetable origin. By functions it of three types: bodybuilding, energy.
Speaker Ms. Prachi Shukla, a faculty from Lady Irwin College, Delhi University, discussed on the topic of fats for healthy heart, in which she explained different functions of fats, essential fatty acids, fat requirement and healthy implications.
Fat requirements, health significance and the choice of cooking oils. Although Dr. Kehkashan has very briefly covered some of the important aspects which I will be talking, so this session will be a re-emphasis to those points. As you can see the below structure, lipids are made up of carbon, where C stands for carbon, H hydrogen and O oxygen. These are a wide group of components which generally include fats, oils and fat-like substances. They are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents. Try to dissolve a spoon of oil in water. Definitely.
Dr. Shikha Singh, an assistant professor in Department of Home Science, Nehru Gram Bharati deemed to be University Prayagraj, presented her views on minerals at a glance, in which she talked about its functions, requirements and sources. She further talked about magnesium, iron and potassium. Guest of the event was Dr. Seema Jaiswal, who is the Faculty Department of Nutrition Science, Nehru Gram Bharati University, Prayagraj. She talked about healthy protectors dietary fibers, where she talked about works for prevention of diseases and daily intake of vegetables and fruits, wheat and multigrains and etc. She also talked about different functional fibers and water balance in the body. Also, we have Dr. Navneet Dubey from Taiwan, who has done his PhD in stem cell research. He gave a small presentation about developing cultured meat from stem cells as an alternative to animal meat in future.
In this nutrition or the diet habits. असल में मेरा जो इलाका है वो जो फूड का नहीं है, मैं तो स्टेम सेल से बिलोंग करता हूँ. My area is stem cell bioengineering. I have done my PhD in tissue engineering. पहले तो एक वसीम बरेलवी साहब का एक शेर है कि अपने चेहरे से जो जाहिर है छुपाए कैसे, तेरी मर्जी के मुताबिक नजर आए कैसे। तो मतलब ये हुआ कि अब अगर मुझे मीट तो खाना है।
At the end of the event, Shri Sumit Singh, the director of Ubuntu Foundation, thanked all the speakers and participants for their valuable time and contributing in making the event successful. He also informed the audience that Ubuntu Foundation will be organizing 3 more events as part of the webinar series on health and nutrition. He also invited young minds and passionate individuals to support the various awareness programs of Ubuntu Foundation through their ideas and expertise. Moreover, to get further information about any event, you can connect with us on Instagram and Facebook. We will meet again with more such new events. Till then, thank you.